Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect three Zendure solar panels together. These are the three 200 watts solar panels. It's pretty simple. They have the MC4 connectors, so we just need to connect them in series one by one. So plug in the positive to the negative of the other one, and then the next one. And then we have this MC4 to XT6 cable here. So you just connect the positive to the negative end here, and then the positive to negative here. And then you plug in the XT6 to the input port here. That's it.